Vodka's Strawberry Shots, a quick and easy recipe to impress your friends. All you need is frozen strawberries, sugar, lemon juice, water, and of course, vodka. Let's get started. Grab sugar from your pantry and weigh out 100 grams. You're going to grind this into powdered sugar. Make sure the lid is securely on, and you're going to set your Thermomix to speed 10 for 10 seconds. Oh, look at that beautiful powdered sugar. Once done admiring and tasting the sugar, scrape down the sides. Now you're going to add 600 grams of hulled frozen strawberries into the powdered sugar, which will give it an added sweetness and take the edge off the vodka. You want to add your water, 100 grams, and slowly but surely increase the speed of the chopping from 5 all the way up to level 10. Beautiful, look at that puree of strawberries. Now you're going to add 100 grams of lemon juice. You don't want to add too much because it gets a little lemony. Look at that little lemon jiggle, oh yeah. Every little drop counts. And here comes the best part. You're going to add 330 grams of vodka. You can always add more if you want, or less. I guess it really just depends on what kind of evening you want to have. The pouring never stops. Yep, that's a lot of vodka. Put the cap back on, the Thermomix, give the dial a spin for 30 seconds, and a guaranteed successful party right there. Now you want to pour into sterilized bottles if you want to keep it for a long time, but if you're going to drink it in one evening, then who cares? See how thick it is? Look at how it pours. This is a deceiving little drink that packs a walloping punch. Please remember to drink responsibly and to never drink and drive. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and smash that thumbs up button.